Hey friends, Dawn here from Tech Savvy Creative, and I am excited to share with you a brand new feature of Showit, which is called Social Grid. Now, I use Showit for both my wedding photography business website as well as Tech Savvy Creative. And until recently, you had to use a third-party extension to have your Instagram feed show up on your website live. There's a couple really popular ones out there. One is Light Widget and one is Snap Widget. But in the last few months, Showit has actually released their very own social grid. So I'm going to dive into my own Tech Savvy Creative website, and I am going to migrate from the Light Widget over to the new Showit grid. Now, you can see here that I have a bunch of broken images, and that's because as a Light Widget user, you do have to go in and re-update your credentials every once in a while or things break. So clearly we are in that place of it is broken. So instead of going to fix it, I'm just going to switch over to the new social grid and share as I do this. So again, I am using Showit. If you have any questions about Showit, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm a huge fan of this platform and they are amazing. So highly recommend it if you're looking for a website builder. Now, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am here in my footer canvas, and in Showit, this is a site canvas. So what a site canvas is, if you're not familiar, it is a piece of your website that you have on multiple pages. That way, when you update it in one place, it actually updates it anywhere that you're referencing that particular canvas. So my footer is the same on every single page, but when I make this one change on my site canvas, it's going to make sure that change goes across every single page that has this footer. So you can see right here that I have an iframe where this widget used to be, and I have my embed code here. Again, it's not working because I needed to update my credentials, but what we're going to do now is I'm just going to get rid of it. There it goes. Goodbye. It's gone. Nice and easy. So now what I am going to do here, hang tight. There we go. I'm going to come down here to this little triangle and I'm going to click on Social Grid. Okay, so then I'm going to drag it to where I want it. I like to start on desktop and then I will go over and fix the mobile version as soon as I'm done here. So I'm going to do that, and then I have a few different options here over on the right hand side for my social grid. So do I want to show video posts? Do I want to show carousels, image posts, captions on hover? Yes, I love all those things. I'm going to start with a 5-pixel image gap. That's normally a pretty nice place to start for me. And then I'm going to come in here and connect Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I am going to connect that nice and easy. Perfect. I love it when things work the way they're supposed to. All right, there we go. I'm going to come back here, click on my little element right here, choose my account, Tech Savvy Creative, and wow, that was super easy. That's it. Now let's see, what else other options do I have here? Rows, so these are columns. That's a row. We only want one row, but it looks like you can update this. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of Instagram. I'm gonna come down. Let's just go stick to one. I like the one. And I like to kind of overexpand it a little bit. I am working on a 27-inch iMac right now, so my screen is a lot wider than a lot of other people's, but I want to make sure that if somebody's on a 27-inch iMac that it still works. What else do we have here? I'm going to go to size and position, and I'm going to lock it to the center and make sure it's nice and centered. I'm also going to use this horizontal locking to make sure that it stretches all the way across. We'll test it out here in a minute to make sure that works as planned. So it looks like there's another feature here called Fallback Images, which is pretty cool. So this allows me to come in here and actually add images that I can put on this grid just in case for some reason Instagram's not working or whatever is going on, because, who knows Instagram. I'm just going to pick some random images of myself, I guess. We'll go here. I'm going to go for 5 different images. Let's do what would look fine on a feed. Oh my goodness. let's see what that'll do. Let's go a couple more. And let's get one more of my face, because why not? I'll do this one. Okay, save. So those are our fallback images if something were to happen to Instagram. I love it. Okay, so desktop looks okay. Let's come over here to mobile. I'm going to get rid of the desktop view just to make things easier. I'm going to stretch this out. Let's go there. Perfect. I love it. We're going to come in here and make sure everything is correct for mobile as well. I think that'll work. All right, so now we're going to come over here to preview. Take a look. See what this looks like. Wow, look at that. That's great. I wasn't sure how that was going to look on my 27-inch iMac. And then I like to come in here and I like to kind of like shrink things up to like, what would it look like on a smaller computer screen? And this is beautiful. Oh, Showit does such a good job, and I'm so excited that we finally have something that is built into the platform instead of using a third-party widget there. Okay, so now it looks the way I want it to. I'm just going to simply click Publish, and then everything should work nice and dandy. I'm going to head over to my website. Let's see if it's updated. There we go. And then if I click on it, theoretically, it's supposed to take me to my Instagram, and it sure does. Look at that. Wow. That was easy. So I hope that was helpful, everybody. I know that was a really short and sweet video, but you know what? That's sometimes the best part of these tools is, you know, they make it super simple and easy for you to do that. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and happy website designing.